Topic name: ARC Gouging on MS plate 10 mm thick, AG01.
Hello students, in this session we shall study the arc gouging on MS plate 10 mm thick, AG01.
Arc gouging is a method employed to remove defective weld beads such as blowholes, pinholes, and cracks from metal surfaces. It is also utilized to cut and remove unwanted weld beads from plates. Arc gouging serves as a vital technique in the repair and maintenance of weld defects, ensuring the integrity and quality of metal work. Arc gouging is commonly used for 1. Removing defective welds or weld overlays. 2. Cutting metal sections such as removing excess material from weld preparations or cutting out sections of metal plates. 3. Removing old or unwanted metals from castings, forgings, and other parts.
The purpose this session fulfills are 1. To select the electrode and set the current as per requirements. 2. To start and maintain gouging action. 3. To clean and inspect the gouging. Tools commonly needed for arc gouging as mentioned below. 1. Gouging torch. 2. Power source. 3. Grounding cable and clamp. 4. Carbon electrodes, gouging rods. 5. Air compressor. 6. Air hose and fittings. 7. Safety gear. 8. Workpiece or base metal. 9. Safety barriers and fire safety equipment. 10. Welding cart. Mentioned below are the major formalities necessary while carrying out arc gouging. 1. Training and certification. 2. Review of safety procedure. 3. Risk assessment and hazard classification. 4. Site preparation. 5. Inspection of equipment and tools. 6. Proper setup and grounding. 7. Selection of appropriate carbon electrodes. 8. Wearing personal protection equipment, PPE. 9. Maintenance of proper ventilation. 10. Following standard gouging techniques and procedures. 11. Continuous monitoring and supervision. 12. Post-operation cleanup and inspection. 13. Emergency response preparedness. In this work, it is necessary to prioritize safety and adhere to relevant regulations and guidelines. Personal protective equipment, PPE, for the arc gouging typically includes the following. A. Protective clothing. B. Eye and face protection. C. Head protection. D. Respiratory protection. E. Hand protection. F. Food protection. G. Hearing protection. H. Skin protection. I. Fall protection. J. Proper ventilation. K. Other equipment. Let's study the job sequence for learning execution of this work.
Let's study the sequence of the execution. 1. Ensure proper use of arc welding safety equipment, including an apron, hand gloves, leg guards, head shield, and other necessary safety gear. 2. Configure the arc gouging machine according to the requirements of the task. 3. Adjust the arc gouging current to the appropriate level for the metal and the thickness being worked on. 4. Secure the carbon arc gouging electrode in the electrode holder, ensuring it is properly set for efficient operation. 5. Initiate the arc gouging process on the metal plate by striking an arc, allowing the arc force to create the desired bead while moving the electrode along the surface to remove any defects or unwanted material. 6. Clean the gouged area manually using an AG4 smooth grinder to smoothen the surface and remove any remaining imperfections. 7. Perform a final inspection of the welded area, ensuring there are no invisible defects or irregularities in the bead. 8. If the welding bead is free from defects, no further gouging work is necessary. However, if defects are present, repeat the gouging process as needed to achieve the desired result.
Dear students, now let's study the skill sequence for learning execution of this work. 1. Select the electrode and set the current. Select a 4 mm diameter gouging electrode for a 10 mm thick plate.
Set 300 amperes current in AC or DC, and if DC is used, set the reverse polarity.
2. Gouging the plate. Point the electrode towards one end of the edge with an angle of 20 degrees to 30 degrees and 90 degrees to the rear surface of the plate. Figure 1. 3. Wear a respirator while gouging. As the molten pool is established, lower the electrode holder and reduce the angle between 5 degrees to 15 degrees from 20 degrees to 30 degrees. Move the electrode along the line of marking from the right to the left side of the plate without side movement. While gouging is in progress, push the molten pool and slang away from the arc and the gouged groove. Due to rapid fusion because of the arc heat, move the electrode fast and control the gouging operation. 4. Ensure that the angle of the slope is not too steep and avoid grooving too deeply. Use safety boots and leg guards to protect the legs. Maintain the angle and travel of electrode constant so as to obtain a groove of uniform width and depth. 5. Inspect the gouging. Check the smoothness, depth, and uniformity of the gouging. Students, let's have a brief summary of this session. 1. The session began with introduction and clarifying the objectives. 2. Then after the requirements, including tools, formalities, and PPEs required to carry out this work have been discussed. 3. Finally, we discussed the stepwise skill sequence. With this, we conclude this session regarding arc gouging.